In this lecture we are going to establish a connection to a text file. I already have a sample text file with some orders, as you can see, and an open blank Excel worksheet. To establish a connection, you should go to the Data tab, where you can see a group of buttons called Get External Data. Click the button from Text. Okay, let's find my file. Excel will open the text import wizard. You are given two options here. You are asked whether the content in this file is delimited or fixed width. Because my text file is delimited by tab, I'm going to leave it set to delimited. Also, my text file has headers in the first row. So I will select this box. My data has headers. Click Next. In this step, you will specify the type of delimiter. In our case, it's tab, as I've already said, but it could be a semicolon or a comma, if you had a CSV file. Here is the data preview. Excel already made columns and separated the data. Click Next. In this step, you can select each column and set the data format. I think it's safe to leave it as general format for now. Click on Finish Now. In this final step, Excel will ask you where would you like to import this data. I already have a blank worksheet, so I will leave the default option and press OK. Excel has put the data from text file, here, from A1 to G44. Keep in mind that when I select all the data, Excel creates a dynamic name rates sales sample, the same as the name of the text file. This is great because when I add or remove rows from text file, Excel will refresh the data. Also, when I right-click on any of the data items, in the imported ones, then I'll notice some extra options, like Edit Text Import and Refresh. Let's click on Edit Text Import. From the Text Import dialog box, you can select another text file. Right-click again and select Data Rates Properties. Here we have a set of properties that are associated with a connection that we have established. A useful option here is Refresh Control. With Prompt for File Name on Refresh selected, Excel will ask you for the name of the file every time that you refresh, so you can uncheck this. Another option is to set a refresh timer, for example every 60 minutes. Excel will refresh the data automatically in the background. Finally, another important option here is the last one, Fill Down Formulas in Column Adjustment to Data. So if I have a formula in my data and add two new rows, Excel will automatically extend the formulas based on the new cells that are imported. Let's enable the option Refresh Data when opening the file and press OK. To test the connection, I'll open the text file and add some new data. OK, save it. Get back to Excel and refresh. Excel fetched the new data and added them here. This is how the data connection to the text file works. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that you can get updates when I put out new videos here. I want to thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video tutorial.